everyone! So it's that time of the year where college acceptance letters are going out, and my sister, who is 2 years younger than me, is graduating from high school this year, and she's getting accepted all these schools, and part of her decision-making process is deciding where she's gonna live. And she's looking at all of these college room tours, and I thought that that would be a great idea for a video. Typically, I only do travel vlogs when I'm going somewhere, studying abroad, or doing something for school that requires me to go outside of the country or somewhere else in the country. But I thought that this would be a great way to show what life is like at my university. I go to Hofstra University in Long Island, and I am studying dance education. This is the first time I've ever talked about what I do other than travel. So I'm really excited to show you guys my room. So this is a typical double at Hofstra University. We have my roommate's bed right here. My bed is over there, that's my desk, and her desk is right there. We have the wardrobes against this wall. And then over here we have our little kind of lounge area that we've set up. So typically when you walk into a room at Hofstra University, when you first get here, there's a bed there, a bed there, the desks are over here, and the wardrobes are on this wall. But we thought it would make more sense spatially for the beds and her desk to be against this wall. So that way we kind of had all of this room to have a carpet and also like to kind of relax and hang out. It's nice to have all this free space. So over here we have the micro fridge, which is provided by the university. You have to put down a deposit and then you get this awesome micro fridge. This is our Keurig that we brought. This is a little plant we set up. We have our little coffee light over here. So whenever I'm making coffee in the morning, I typically turn that on just because I think it's cute. This is our shaker that we got at the dollar store. These are all posters that we actually bought at the Hofstra bookstore. We decided we'd make it like a New York tribute kind of wall. This is my little yoga sign. This is a yoga pose, if you don't know. And so we have all of our like silverware and cups and mugs all set up here. That's a little unicorn ornament that Tori made. Then we have this nice little setup. So we keep all of our food in here. We have ramen and then gluten-free ramen for me. Down here we have like some chips and pretzels and stuff. Then we have this nice lamp that I got at Target. I'm pretty sure everyone has this lamp. I've seen it in like 12 YouTube videos. And then we keep our nice plates kind of on this shelf below everything. This is a chair I got at Target. I also got the pillow at Target. And this tapestry I got when I was in Thailand, and we can't have tapestries on the walls. We actually can't have anything that's 2 feet below the ceiling. So the top of this L is literally the highest you can go with any kind of thing you put on your wall. So I have my little like picture collage over here. It actually used to go a lot higher, but I unfortunately had to take it down for fire inspections. Tori had an entire picture collage that had to come down. That was quite beautiful. You also can't put anything above the wardrobes because it affects the sprinklers according to Long Island. These lights used to be up and around my bed. You can kind of see my old command hooks and where they used to be, but unfortunately I had to take them all down. So this is my bed. As you can see, I have a lot of like decorative pillows. This comforter I got at Urban Outfitters on sale, I think for around $75, which is pretty good for a comforter cover. All my pillows are from Target, like the majority of my things. I like some nice decorative pillows. I have my little Stitch pillow pet. This blanket was a gift from my grandma for Christmas. And then up here, of course, I have my photo collage that also has some letters from friends, some tickets, Polaroids, some postcards. This picture of me and Kat. I made that canvas with Tori one night. We were doing a little bit of crafting, so we decided to make some cool wall art. This is my desk. This is where I keep all of my books, jewelry, pens, laptop, makeup mirror. This makeup mirror got at Costco. I have my like art supplies. Here are all my like makeup brushes, more art supplies. It's a picture of my friend Bridget coughing. Keep my keys kind of like on this little peg here. You have a bunch of drawers. I keep my makeup in this drawer, but all my books are up here. So these are like some school books mixed with some books that I just like for fun. These are all of my travel journals from all of my travels. Like a coloring book. This is kind of like just a tribute to like souvenirs. So in a Hofstra dorm you typically get the wardrobes, you get the desks, the bed, and then you also get below here, I have some drawers for my clothes. I think it makes way more space in the room if you put them under there. Over here we have all of my souvenir shot glasses. Either my family got me or that I got on travels. Over here we have a nice view of the parking lot. There you can see Vanderpool, which is the honors college dorms, and then over there would be the wellness center, and then behind us is Hofstra USA and Dutch Treats. We're kind of like really close to everything. The student center is probably about I would say like 3-minute walk. And you're about a 15-minute walk from all of your classes if you walk slow like me. If you live in Colonial Square, that's all the way behind Hofstra, as well as Nassau, Suffolk. And then you have the fitness center, which is kind of like down that way. My freshman year, I'm a sophomore now, and my freshman year I lived in the Netherlands. So I had a suite style room, which is 2 rooms, and then you get a lounge. So we kind of like missed that lounge space, which is why we set up this nice little area over here. It's nice to just kind of sit here and relax after class, because you don't always want to sit in your desk or on your bed. We find that this is a great space for us. I'm having a great time in this space this year, but next year we are moving off campus just because the fire regulations are a little too much for us. We had full-on photo collages on these walls and we had to strip them all down. It's not the university's fault, it's Long Island itself, it's their fire code. It has nothing to do with the university. It's just, it sucks, but it's whatever. This is a double at Hofstra University. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you're thinking about coming here, this video will either convince you to or convince you not to. Lack of tapestries is definitely a big thing to consider when you're picking a college. Other than all of the fire codes and stuff, I love it here. I hope you consider coming here, and I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you watch my other videos. If this video gets enough views, I might do like a day in the life of a Hofstra student. Thanks for watching. Bye!